If I had to prepare for placements again in 2026, I would not solve random questions on the lead code, or I would not refer 10 different resources on internet which is available. Yeah. So I would follow a proper, very clear 90 days roadmap. This is what I'm going to share in this video. So right now I'm a software engineer. So when I look back, when I was preparing for placement, I made a lot of mistakes. So there was a no structure. I used to solve a random question and wasted a lot of time. Yes. So I know exactly what should students do. So in this video, I'll be sharing a clear roadmap for 90 days for preparing for placement, especially data structures and algorithms. So
Yeah.
let's go.
Now we will see the DSA topic. So just now I explained the 90 days roadmap which a student can follow. Like I'm going to follow with you guys. Even though I'm placed, I should not say that I'm preparing, but yes, I'll be solving along with you. So the DSA topics which we are going to cover are arrays, strings, hashing. So these are the basic topics. Arrays you should know, strings you should know, hashing, searching, binary search, sorting. So in sortings, there are different methods of sorting. So we are not going to cover everything. What we will do is our main goal is placement. So we are going to focus on placement. So for placements, what is needed, we will only cover that much. Okay, we are going to focus on that much because we have only 3 months, that is 90 days, that is 20 weeks. So we should focus only on the important part. So it's not like that in exams we will prepare for okay. So I know engineers to prepare one night before, but they'll focus on what important topics. Okay, not on the whole syllabus. No. So this is sorting, recursion. So recursion you must know. Before going this down, you should know recursion. Recursion is very important, and we will cover from basic to medium. Will not go to the hard level for sure. So you can also, this is for a beginner, so you can follow this. Now the next is stack and queue. As usual, you must have covered till this much, or I think this much in college. Not sure DP is covered or not, but trees, BST, graph, greedy, and these many topics will be mostly focusing on. So to prepare for placement, these are the important topics you should focus on. I mean, you must be saying that these are the only topics, and how we can say important, because all other topics are important. That's what teacher does, right? In schools they say, oh, we will ask what are the important questions, ma'am, tell what is the important topics. So the teachers used to say everything is important, all syllabus is important, study everything. So jokes apart, let's go to phase by phase. Now phase one is 1 to 20 days, and we will be focusing on foundation. So we will mostly focus on logic building and basic patterns. Now what we will cover is we will do mathematics. It's not a plus b is equal to c mathematics for sure. Okay, don't doubt me. This mathematics is like there are some questions so in which we'll be using this mathematic concept. So you'll get to know once you start. So on day one I'll be starting with mathematics itself, or I can start with arrays as well. Okay, don't mind me. Now next is bit magic. It's bit manipulation basic. So bit manipulation is also important. So there are some questions which you can solve with arrays also, but you must know the bit manipulation. These are the tricky questions. So for mathematics, bit manipulation tricky questions can come. Now next is arrays, strings, and hashing. So don't look like this is the order. Of course, I can pick arrays before maths, before bit manipulation also, or I can pick anything. Now array, string, hashing, these are the basic one you should know in the beginning. So I know people get stuck in arrays itself. So I started with arrays today. After a week I stopped doing DSA, and then again I'll start with arrays. This happens with most of people I know. So I have a solution for that as well. Keep watching this video. Now this we are going to focus strings and hashing. We will look the patterns, like okay, if this kind of question is there, how we will solve. Okay, and there are some tricks, like if in strings, if you are asked to return a boolean value, so it is possible that there is some trick to solve this question using some formulas, I mean some pattern. Okay, not necessary we have to find all the big area and all. You might get confused right now, so I'll not explain much, but these are the phase 1 topics which we'll be covering in 20 days, and we are going to mostly focus on logic building. Now, what is the phase 2? In phase 2, it's day 21 to 45. So, we are focusing on core problem solving, and it is mostly searching, sorting, recursion, matrix. Now, in searching, okay, here if you see, okay, fine, like binary search. Somewhere I mentioned here, yeah, binary search and all. Okay, we will solve the question. So, what is our plan for phase 2 is searching, sorting, and recursion matrix. In matrix also there is variety of question, but we will only solve the selective questions. And here our focus is thinking approach and patterns. That's important. Phase 2 is also important. Now phase 3. Now you are done with basics and you know how to build a logic. You are able to solve a basic simple question, easy level question, a bit medium level questions. Now the phase 3 comes is days 46 to 70. That is code ESA. What are the topics? Linked list, stack, and queue. Now here you should not skip recursion. Recursion is very important for this next phase 3 and phase 4. Everywhere it will be used. If you don't know recursion, you might not be able to solve questions of stack, queue, tree, graph. Even though that question is solved using iterative way, recursion will make it easy to understand. So you should not skip recursion. So please stay updated. If you are very serious about your placement preparation, you should stay up to date from day one. Now, phase 3 will cover linked list IQ, so we'll cover the concept and we will covering the different ways, okay, different questions as well, standard questions. Now, phase 4 is 71 to 90, last phase, placement level. So here we will be understanding trees, BST, graph, trees. So in this series, I'm not just explaining the concepts, okay? So don't get misunderstood by this. We are going to solve a standard questions of these concepts. So how will be our approach? Okay, before that, let's cover phase 4. We'll be covering basic DP and here interview questions and patterns. Of course, not theory overloaded. We'll be solving the question. This was the phase. So I divided it in 4 phases and like from foundation to core problem solving, core DSA and placement level. Now weekly breakdown is week 1 to 2 is arrays and string. Like just so if we see the same thing I have break down into week. Okay, so in 1 2 we'll solve array string, week 3 hashing patterns, week 4 binary search and sorting, week 5 recursion, week 5 is most important one. And recursion is my favorite, so I used to mostly solve the questions of recursion when I was in college. So that's why tree got easy. Okay, so I was able to solve the questions of trees as well. Linked list stack queue in the week 6 and 7, week 8 and 9 is trees and graph, week 10 and 12 is greedy, DB, and division more. Okay, so this was all about timeline and how we are going to cover this topic. So, first, what we will do is we will cover the concept. Okay, like how I explained the maths example that we should know the formulas and uh, I don't remember if I explained in this current recording. I recorded it previously also, but my voice was not recorded, so I had to record it again. But that's fine. Okay, now what we will do is we will focus on concepts and then we will solve the questions of each one. Of course, if there are thousands of questions of arrays, we'll not be solving thousand questions here in this series. Our main motto or aim is to prepare for placement. So for that, I'm not going to solve hundreds of questions. If I am solving hundreds of, I mean not hundreds, thousands of questions. If I'm solving thousands of questions and I don't have a clear logic building and I don't know the patterns and I don't know how to solve a new question, then that's of no use. That's of really not useful. So you should solve like what you say, quality over quantity. Okay, solve less questions. We will be solving up very minimal questions, but we'll focus on logic building. We'll focus on patterns. So you should know if I solve this question, Let's say there is one question and I solve that question, and after that I got to know, okay, this kind of questions can be solved using this approach. So in future if I get a similar kind of question but little bit some changes, so I should be able to solve that question, not because like okay I solved that question, I'm not by hearting that question, I am understanding the pattern of that question and then reusing that concept in another question. That's how it works. Okay, so you should understand the pattern. Do not focus on the numbers of questions. Please do not focus on the numbers of questions. This mistake people do. So I can say if you follow this series, it will be very helpful to you. And of course, it's up to you if you want to follow or not. But yes, for 3 months, I'll be also preparing for placements. Even though I'm not going to give any interview, I might give interview, but I'm not going to give interview. That's fine. But I'm here to help you guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And there's one telegram group, cat coding, and there I have also posted the notes, okay, my DSA notes when I was preparing. You can refer that as well. So I'll be covering most of the questions, and I think there are concepts as well, so if you want to go through that you can go through. So yeah, so this is all about our 90 days roadmap. Yes.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel and stay updated. Thank you.